Today at Mullin Machinery we have a welding positioner. It has a 30-inch square faceplate. This is an Aronson. Not sure of the weight capacity. I would think about 1,500 pounds, just judging by the size of it. It's an older unit, so it has a mechanical speed control, an old Graham variable speed transmission. To adjust the speed, you turn this hex here with a wrench, adjustable. You could put a socket on it. It's kind of bulletproof because they're not affected if you don't ground the machine properly. It's adjustable up and down for height by pulling the pins down there. This one is not wired with a foot pedal, it's just wired with a forward and reverse switch. Here it is running in reverse. And you can adjust the speed. Just pick the speed up. It's a manual tilt by turning the crank on the back of the machine. Old machine, but kind of bulletproof. Since most welding shops are not the friendliest environments for machines, this one will hold up. So check this machine out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com.